Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to talk about is the secret success mindset that makes you unstoppable. So, if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive right into it and the secret success mindset that makes you unstoppable. So what you're going to have to start is to think about what you want and how you're going to get there. So what I mean by that is, what do you actually want? You don't want to make $1 million. You want to have something that has to do with making $1 million, if that's what you want. Maybe you want the cars. Maybe you just want to have freedom, and that's a great way to do that. If you want freedom, what are you going to do with your time? If you want, maybe you want some nice cars, maybe you want a huge house, maybe you want a private jet. I don't know what you want, but you really want to think about what you want and how you're going to get there, but also you want to focus on why you want it. Always ask why. Why do you want that nice car? Because you've always dreamt of it. Why did you always dream of it? Because it's fast, it makes some nice sounds, and just dive into it further and further and further, and that will just anchor into your mind why you want it so bad and just make you unstoppable. This is the very first part, but probably the most important part, is you really have to dive in to why you actually want it and always go further and further and further. Don't just say, I want it because it's nice and stop there. I want it because it's nice because, I want the driving experience, and, just go further and further and further until you just can't go anymore. And even when you can't, you still think about why that is the case. So, once you start to do that, you will start to go towards your goal, and you will create some success along the way. And I'm not talking about you want to make $1 million and the next day you're making $1 million, but you do want to work backwards. So maybe you want to make $1 million. Okay, so how do people make $1 million? Because you don't want to reinvent the wheel. So how do people make $1 million and just walk backwards? So maybe they created a YouTube channel about helping people in some various subject, and that can be anything. Working out is a huge one, for example. So you can do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to start to make a YouTube channel because that person started to do that. So you start to make a YouTube channel and you make your first video. That's a big victory. Then you're going to gain your first subscriber, and that's another victory. And then you're going to, gain your first 100 and your first 1,000, and then you're going to start to make some money and make your first affiliate sale, or it might not be affiliate marketing, but that's what I talk about mostly. So maybe you're going to make your first affiliate sale, and all of these things will make you more confident because you're like, okay, I got my first subscriber, that's cool, and you want to celebrate that. I'm not talking about going on holiday for a week, but if you gain your first subscriber, then maybe have a beer or something like that, or have a nice meal. I don't care what it is, something that you're actually happy about, and that will create a sense of confidence because you're going to realize that it's possible. Because if you make your first sale and you realize that it's actually possible to make some money, and then you make your second and your third, and you realize that it's actually possible to make consistent money. And what that is going to do is you're going to take some more action because you realize that it's possible, so you're going to make more of that, and that will create some more results. So you're going to create even more action, and the list goes on, and you're going to go on and on and on and just succeed like that. So you really want to know where you want to go, how you're going to get there. You know, focus on why you want that so much, and then just go on with that. And then you're going to start to do things that will get you towards the goal, and that will create the feeling of achievement, and that will make you confident, and then it just goes on. And it's just like a vicious cycle, but in a good way. So that, I hope this really helps you out to really prepare your mindset and make that change that you really want to make if you actually want to make some money online. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. And also make sure that you watch my other videos because I have a ton of videos. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.